Alan Warnitz here, a nutrition expert. Today is more on fat burning. Fat has to be called out from the tissues and has to be transported to the cells. And when it arrives to the cells, it still needs to go through the cell membrane and into the energy factory, which is called the mitochondria. And there are two very, very key vitamins, vitamin B5 and vitamin B3, niacin, which are absolutely essential to take that fat and turn it into an energy storage, which is the energy used for moving muscles, for your heart muscles, for metabolism, for thinking. And when that happens, you've got energy. You can move, you've got endurance and all that. So B5 is one of the vitamins that are used up in stress. So when one is overstressed and one has inflammations and infections, the B5 runs out, and this is when your energy levels can actually stall, where you get tired and you can have brain fog. So those two essential vitamins have to be present, otherwise you can stall the energy production in the cells and have the effects of low energy.